In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're updating your contact information for business reasons or simply because you've switched your number, this simple process is quick and easy to follow. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, after you sign in, you'll find yourself directed to the home page. This is your starting point, a familiar hub that you see each time you access QuickBooks Online. Our task here is to find the settings icon, so take a glance towards the upper right corner of your screen. It's important to note that, depending on your version or recent updates to QuickBooks Online, this icon might be located a little differently. So, don't worry if it's not in the exact spot you expect, just keep an eye out for it. Once you've located the icon, go ahead and give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of options at your disposal. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Account and Settings option. This section serves as the heart of your business's account details and settings, managing everything from your profile to preferences. With Account and Settings open, it's time to move forward to the next location, the Company tab. Positioned neatly on the left-hand side of your screen, this tab is your gateway to accessing and modifying primary business information stored in QuickBooks. Inside the Company tab, we're specifically interested in the Contact Info section. This is the spot where all your current company contact information is stored and displayed, including your phone number, the item we're set to update. By clicking into the Contact Info section, you unlock the ability to begin editing the fields necessary to carry out changes. Now, let's focus on the company phone field. This is likely pre-populated with the phone number you previously used. Take a moment to click into this field. Doing so allows you to delete or backspace away your old, possibly outdated number. Once that's cleared, type in the new phone number that you want to update. Accuracy here is key, so ensure that the number is entered correctly and formatted properly. This small attention to detail is essential for maintaining seamless correspondence and avoiding hiccups when clients or stakeholders need to get in touch. After entering your new phone number, don't forget about the crucial step of saving your changes. Just scroll down slightly and locate the Save button. A simple click here will lock in all the modifications you've made to your contact information. Always take a moment to double-check and confirm that the changes you made are accurately reflected. And just like that, you've successfully updated your phone number in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your contact information current is a vital part of ensuring smooth business communication. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to have a look at our other tutorials for more helpful tips and guides.